Okay, so 2024 74 plate Mercedes-Benz A35 Premium Plus, finished in the individual Manufaktur Patagonia Red metallic paint. As I say, individual colour through Mercedes, which looks absolutely stunning with all the black detail on the outside. Starting there with your diamond cut alloy wheels, all four of which are in a perfect condition with no curbing marks to any of them. Obviously with the aero kit on the outside, you've got the black mirror caps, black skirts to the bottom, privacy glass to the back. You've got the gloss black high lip spoiler, full panoramic tilt and slide glass roof as well. LED rear tail lights with reverse parking sensors and reverse parking camera. All black Mercedes badging to the back as well. You've also got the gloss black splitter to the bottom with the twin exhausts. Just continuing round to the passenger side. Bodywork of the car again is fantastic, being really well maintained. And then we're coming back around to the front of the car where you've got your LED daytime running light, the Panoramic style chrome front grille, all gloss black detail on the front bumper as well. Right, that's a quick 360 of the outside. I'm going to show you the interior. So inside you get the full black leather with the cream fine line stitching. All the interior is in a fantastic condition. And again, you've got that panoramic tilt and slide glass roof there. Piano black interior trim finish. Heated seats to the two front seats with 3-function memory on both. You've also got the upgraded Burmester sound system there as well. In the back of the car, you've got Isofix on the 2 outer seats, armrest in the centre, and again you'll see the condition continues in the back as well. And then being an A35, you get a very generous amount of space in the back with split fold seats there as well, which can drop down, get even more space should you need it. And a quick view from the driver's side, just to show you the condition. All the seat bolsters looking very good. Okay, so just inside the car now, we'll start off there with your full digital dash. This screen in front of you can be fully adjusted to your own preference, so you can have the satellite navigation directly in front of you, but you'll also notice you've got a head-up display there which projects the speed and your road markings up onto the windscreen. And coming back slightly, you've got your multi-function flat bottom AMG steering wheel, cruise control on the right, Bluetooth on there as well. You've got flappy paddles behind, obviously change down and up through the gears there should you wish to. Then you've got your sport drive select at the bottom. You'll notice you've got the ambient lighting throughout the car as well, auto light as well as auto wipers, 3-function memory heated seats, electric folding mirrors and electric windows. Again, I've mentioned the upgraded Burmester sound system. Then we'll quickly show you the reverse parking cameras there. So you've got your reverse parking camera on the left and 360-degree cameras on the right, giving you a bird's eye view of the car when you're doing any parking or manoeuvring. Put the car back into park. Everything else on there is touchscreen. It's a really simple system to use. You've got DAB radio and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you'll see that lovely ambient lighting throughout the car there as well. Dual zone climate control. Piano black interior trim finish. One last look at that tilt and slide panoramic glass roof. Okay, that's a few of the main features inside the car now, so we'll jump out and finish the walk around video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you'd like any more information on the car, don't hesitate to give us a call. It's 01748 889 588.